Hi, welcome to demonstration video on lab activity 3. I will draw the circuit in lab activity 3 and I will make the simulation. As you see, the circuit contains a voltage source, DC voltage source, and 3 resistors, 1 kilo ohm, 2 kilo ohms, 3 kilo ohm. Let's draw the circuits. First, I will need a DC voltage source, DC power source, as you see. I put it on the screen. Then I need a ground. Here I put the ground, and I need some resistors, and resistors are in basic group. Resistors, I need 1 kilo ohm resistor. I am trying to find. Yes, here, 1 kilo ohm. I put the resistor here. Then I need 2 kilo ohms here. Then I need 3 kilo ohm resistor. And it's okay. I should rotate the resistors. To rotate them, I click the right button of the mouse. And as you see, these are used to rotation. I rotate the resistors 90 degrees in clockwise, and then I connect the resistors using cables. Let me carry this cable here and here. Okay, and connect the ground here. That's it. I have completed the circuit, but as you see, it's 12 volts. I have to change it, so I write here 9 volts. Okay, now it's the same circuit in the lab experiment manual. Okay, lab manual. Then I will measure the voltages and currents using there should be some devices here, instruments. Yes, there is an instrument here. Okay, instantaneous voltage and current. I will use that device. I select it and put somewhere. As you see, this probe will measure the voltage at that point, and it will measure the current in this direction. Okay, from left to right. And I put once here, and I want to change the direction of this probe. I click the right button and reverse probe direction. Okay, now it's measuring the current going down, and I will put once here. Okay, it measures the voltage going down. Okay, now I can start the simulation. Okay, as you see, this point is 9 volts and the total current is this. This point is 4.9 volts and the current is this. This point, as you see, I can carry the display. Okay, you can carry the monitor wherever you want. 4.91 volts and the current is this. This is the all analysis value. Okay, all the simulation of whole circuits. And you can write your name on the screen. You should say play some text. Okay, write your name here. write the course ID. What's your course ID? Okay, EE something something something. Write your student ID. And then save the document. Give your name, okay, give a related name, lab 3 simulation, or it's enough. Okay, then send the saved document to a teaching assistant. Okay, thanks.